Hello there, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and I'm really excited for this because it's something new that I have been trying this summer and I have been loving everything about it, and I just want to share that with you. So this summer I have been reading a lot and I have been purchasing a lot of books, so I need some space, I need an area so I can be able to like organize all of them, and I really want a space where I can relax and read the books with a cup of coffee. I'm really excited. So I did some purchases and I got a bookshelf from Amazon. I take advantage of the Prime deals. So God, it's heavy. I got a bookshelf and I think it could be nice if I install the bookshelf in this area. This is my living room, this is the TV. I have a accent chair here, you can see it, let me see, yeah, there's an olive tree, and I think this can be like a nice book reading nook area or something like that. So I got a bookshelf, hopefully, fingers crossed, it's the same color as my TV stand. So my idea for today's video is to build the bookshelf, organize all of the books, and of course, favorite part, decorate the bookshelf with things that I already have. Let's see if I have all the materials to make some DIYs. Let's start building this bookshelf. It's not the same color. This is mostly grayish. And the TV stand have like a very small undertone of like green color to it, but I mean, like, it's not, you can see this is more grayish, this is more like creamy, but I think it can work. Okay, something here is not making sense. Each one of the shelves can hold 15 pounds. I mean, like, each of the books, I don't know, they're heavy. I think I'm gonna see if the bookshelf look like this. Anyway, let's try it out. It was not an expensive bookshelf. I think like maybe $35, $40, something like that, from Amazon. I'm going to leave you the link in the description box so you can check it out. But hopefully it's gonna hold all of my books and it's not gonna break. So okay guys, so bookshelf is done. This is how it looks, and I love it, matched really well with the TV stand. Now I'm going to start adding all of the books, and once I have them, I'm going to decide where I want to put some decorations and how many DIYs we need to make. So let's put all of that together. Let me show you how many books I have. Okay, these are all of the books that I have. Let's get started on that. the books. I try to classify them like for series, and also like these are my books, my husband books, and like, you know, something like that. Now it's time to start decorating. First I need to put a really big piece on the bottom of the shelf because I have no more books in this area. So let's get started on that. Okay, I think maybe something like this. This is from Hobby Lobby. I think we can put it here, add some greenery, and then maybe some of these beads. I love to use them. Okay, now I have to decorate these empty spaces from the bookshelf, but we need to make some DIY, so let's go there and start crafting. Okay, so super easy DIYs that I can use to like basically hold the books. First I'm going to do a very easy one. I'm going to use one of these wooden boxes that you can get from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the small box that is inside, like the drawer, and I have these very small home shape wooden pieces. I need to cover these butterfly. I'm going to use this, stick them together and paint them white, and then I'm going to have this small space here to add some greenery inside, and it's going to look perfect. Another simple DIY. I'm going to use two of these boxes. I'm going to stick them together to make these pieces a little bit heavier so they can hold books. And I'm going to stick them together with hot glue and paint them white. Another DIY is going to be this home sign that you can get from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint it white. I really want the bookshelves to have white, so I think if I paint this white, it's going to work beautiful. And the other DIY is gonna be this sign from Dollar Tree. This is like a chalkboard, but I think it could be cool if I use these scrapbook letters and write something here to put on our bookshelf. So let's get started on that. Okay, this is how everything turned out, and I hope that you like it. I love how it looks. I love my bookshelf, I love my books, I love the decoration, and the DIYs were super easy and simple to make, so hopefully you can get some ideas and inspiration from them. But yeah, super easy to make. I have another DIY on mind that I really want to make, and I already have all of the materials, so stay tuned because we're going to make that video super soon. Oh, I'm excited for that. And it's actually going to be for this area right where the camera is. If you have a clue, make sure that you leave in the comments what you think it is. Thank you so much for the love and support. If you like this video, a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed. Thank you so much for the love and support, and see you in the next time. Bye.